First day 3 in the trial of 2 former DCFS workers accused of child endangerment in McHenry County.
And Tia Ewing has the details. Tia?
Natalie Scott, a retired DCFS manager, was on the witness stand yesterday, and she remained there for day 3 of this trial. She was over the Woodstock field office and was questioned about the records kept by former DCF workers Carlos Acosta and Andrew Polovin, and if their investigations went far enough after seeing evidence of abuse on 5-year-old AJ Freund. Acosta and Polovin were the caseworkers assigned to AJ Freund and were fired months after his death in April of 2019. Police found the boy's body buried in a shallow grave in a field, and despite horrific living conditions and signs of abuse on AJ, he was returned to his parents. AJ's parents pleaded guilty to his murder. His father, Andrew Freund, was sentenced to 30 years. His mother, Joanne Cunningham, 35 years. The area DCFS supervisor, Carol Ruzicka, who has since retired, was paid to be a prosecution witness. She continued being cross-examined on that witness stand during day 3, specifically about a bruise on AJ. He was questioned in front of his mother and said the dog did it. Under examination by a doctor later that day, AJ said, quote, "Maybe mommy didn't mean to hurt me."
This is Mr. Acosta's note about his interview of AJ Freund. Is that correct?
Correct.
You testified yesterday that you had criticisms about the quality of the note. Is that right?
That is correct.
You allege that the note doesn't ask anything specific about the dog. Is that right?
No, this is the child's interview. Right.
Let me ask you a more specific question. Mr. Canale asked you, did Mr. Acosta ask anything specific about the dog? And you said no, right?
Specific, yeah.
A judge will decide the fate of the former DCFS workers, each charged with endangering the life of a child and reckless conduct. If convicted, each face between 2 and 5 years in prison and fines of up to $25,000. They could also get probation. The trial is expected to last an entire week. Scott?